Hi, today I'm going to install Hitman Codename 47 for PC for free without the proper disc that you have to pay for. First, I've got to go over to www.isohunt.com. There it is, okay. And then once you're there, simply just type in the search box hitman.iso and then click the search button. When it loads up, you just have to click the second link, which is there, Hitman Codename 47, and click download torrent. I'll just show you that it's got the ISO files, hitman.iso. okay, so that's what you need. So click download torrent. If you don't have a BitTorrent client, just click Azorus, which is right by the side of it, and download that. Apart from that, just download it, and then you got the ISO. Then you need to get a thing called Windows ISO Recorder or Nero or whatever. Nero you have to pay for, but ISO Recorder is completely free. Just type it in Google and you're off, and then use that to copy it to disk, and the computer will think it's an installation disk. Okay, after you've done that, you also need to download a crack for it. So just type in Hitman Codename 47 and click search again, and you've got to try and find image plus crack. So there it is, PC Hitman Codename 47 image plus crack. I'm only recording this video tutorial because some people don't know how to do it, because most of this crack is in German. So just download that as well. I'm showing people how to. It took me quite a long time to figure it out. Then once you've downloaded that, you should have a folder on your computer called Hitman Codename 47 plus crack, and that'll have all the stuff in there, and I'll show you how to use it. First you need to install Hitman off the installation disk that you got, and click install and just install that. You got to choose your setup language in that, so just click OK, and it installs it for you, and it will not take long, hopefully. So then you just got to install it, and I'll resume this camera when it's finished installing. So when you go, it's finished installing now, but the problem is when you go to play it, it just pops up with this little screen when it loads up, and it says cannot locate the CD-ROM. Please insert the correct CD-ROM, select OK and restart the application. So you click OK, click play again, same thing comes up, because it thinks it's the wrong disk. It doesn't think it's a proper installation disk. But with the folder that you downloaded earlier, Hitman Codename 47 image plus crack, I'll show you what to do now. Here's the images. There's 3 folders: the image files, the CCD and the sub, and then there's a crack folder. Inside the crack folder there will be an application, a reg setup, and system DLL. Now these already exist in the Hitman folder, and the Hitman folder is in computer, local disk C or boot C if you've got Vista, program files. Then you've got to try and find this folder. Oh, not that one, sorry, this one, and then click this, and then here's Hitman Codename 47, and it's got all the files in there. Now here's the application, but when you click that, of course this loads up. So you have to replace that with the one in the crack, and you have to replace the system DLL in the crack with this one, and you just drag the reg setup in there. So first we've got to put the 3 image files, otherwise it won't properly work. So we put this in, and we just drag it in somewhere, and it'll copy it. Then you get this one as well, and you get this one as well. So there they are, the folders. Okay, so once you got that, you just need to drag all the stuff out of the crack in there. So let's just drag the setup in there somewhere. Let's put it down here. Okay, there's a reg setup. And you need to drag the system DLL in there, and on Vista it might pop up. Oh, it pops up on XP as well. The folder already contains a file named system DLL. Just click, it says would you like to replace, just click yes, so it replaces, and then do it with the application as well. This will with me at the start, but I made a backup copy, and then you replace this as well. Oh, no, don't want a shortcut, you need the actual, so we copy this, click copy, paste it in there, and then you have to run this reg setup thing, and it sets up the registry setup complete, and then you click setup, and that should just take, it normally takes you to that screen where it says insert correct CD-ROM, but this time, because you've replaced all of the stuff with the cracked stuff, when you click it, this little game setup thing pops up, and you can set all your settings, graphics configuration, run full screen, use texture, in-game language, and I don't know what the hell this is, but I just put it to max. And set up language, whether you're in German or whatever, but I'm in England, so I choose English. And then that's the game setup really, and then you just click enable blood if you want it or not, and then you just click start game, and then you start the game. So we'll just test it. Oh wait, sorry about that. Oh, something's went wrong. Something's went wrong. No way how to get out of it, I think. Oh, there you go. Anyway, once that's done, I accidentally done something. Just don't change anything. Just keep this at the minimum. Just keep everything like it is, and click start game, and it should run. At least, let's test it. Does it run? Come on. Yep, it's running. So you see that? Hitman without paying for it. So it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and I hope you can get hit on your PC or laptop, whatever, for free too. So thanks for watching. Bye.